there everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Mobills budget planning application on your Android device. So let's get to it right away. First of all, make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet, whether it is a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Next, open your Play Store from your app drawer. Go to the search box appearing at the top and type in Mobills. Once you search for the application, in the search result, look for the Mobills Budget Planner application from Mobills Inc. Tap on Install to begin downloading it on your Android, which will take a couple of minutes. Wait for the application to download and install, and you will be able to download and open up Mobills Budget Planner application for your Android. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.